Hey guys, quick solution for the issue that you have, the how to fix the unsupported mode on TV Xbox Series X if it's not working for you. And so I managed to resolve the issue myself now and add what I did below in case to helps anyone. Hold the Xbox button for 10 seconds until the Xbox has been turned off. First thing. Then you want to hold the pairing button and the Xbox button together until the Xbox turn on noise is heard twice. This turns the Xbox on in lowest possible resolution. And now 3 times work for me, thanks. And many people just wrote here that it just like completely solved it for them. Look at it. So first you're gonna hold the Xbox button for 10 seconds until it's going to be turned off. Then you want to hold the pairing button and the Xbox button together until the Xbox turn on noise is heard twice. This turns the Xbox on the lowest possible resolution. It should be noted that sometimes when doing this you may need to hold the 2 buttons for longer when at first they need to be 3 times before displaying. Also sometimes the box will need to be turned off and back on again for this to take effect. So try this out, maybe it's going to help to fix the issue for you. I hope it does. Have a great day and goodbye.